You gotta be aggressive out there, yeah, that's right. If you're in a hurry, it doesn't pay to drive aggressively. But how aggressive? Is it okay to speed a little bit and pass other cars on the right? How about tailgating or rolling through stop signs? We all do it from time to time, but we're not doing our wallets any favors. Aggressive driving can waste a lot more than just time and gas. Here are some costs you may not have considered. Let's start with fuel waste. Aggressive driving can reduce your fuel economy by 15 to 30% at highway speeds and 10 to 40% in stop-and-go traffic. That's because speed and acceleration are a big part of the equation. Okay, what does that mean in terms of dollars and cents? This next point will hit home for most drivers. Speeding impacts your fuel economy. Every 5 miles per hour over 50 miles per hour costs an extra 27 cents per gallon equivalent. That means if you maintain a steady 60 miles per hour instead of driving at 70 miles per hour, you'll save 54 cents per gallon equivalent. It may not seem like much, but those pennies add up quickly. Consider this. The average driver travels 1,123 miles each month. So speeding just 10 miles per hour above the posted speed limit could cost an extra $390 per year in fuel. Aggressive driving isn't just about speeding, though. Stop-and-go traffic can also increase fuel consumption due to things like rapid acceleration and hard braking. If you find yourself wasting a lot of time in traffic, consider switching to a more fuel-efficient vehicle or even changing your commute times to avoid congestion. You could also try taking public transportation when possible. So how much can aggressive driving cost you in the long run? Let's do the math. For the average driver who travels 1,123 miles per month, aggressive driving habits can waste an extra $50 to $80 in fuel costs each month. That's between $600 and $900 more per year. But it gets even more expensive when you consider the other costs of aggressive driving. We haven't even talked about vehicle maintenance, insurance premiums, and the increased risk of accidents. Aggressive driving can lead to more wear and tear on your car, which means more frequent and costly maintenance. Aggressive drivers tend to have higher insurance premiums due to their increased risk of accidents. Of course, accidents themselves can be extremely expensive. They can result in property damage, medical expenses, and lost wages. Not only that, but aggressive driving can be dangerous for others on the road. In fact, aggressive driving is a major cause of accidents. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration estimates that aggressive driving is a contributing factor in 30 to 50% of all collisions. Now let's talk about a simple solution. You don't have to be a Boy Scout or Girl Scout to drive safely and courteously. You just need to keep a few things in mind. Accelerate gently, maintain steady speeds and brake calmly. Avoid distractions and be patient. Allow other drivers to merge and change lanes. Use your turn signals and don't tailgate. If you can do these things, you'll not only be saving money, but also reducing your impact on the environment. Aggressive driving is not only bad for your wallet, but also for the planet. Fuel economy decreases at higher speeds because of the relationship between speed and fuel consumption. At highway speeds, for every 5 miles per hour over 50 miles per hour, you're using about 20% more fuel. In stop-and-go traffic, rapid acceleration and braking can waste even more fuel. By driving smoothly, you can improve your vehicle's fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. Everyone wins when you drive courteously. You'll be saving money, reducing emissions, and being a good citizen on the road. Ooh, maybe you'll even make someone's day. Hopefully this video has been helpful. If you're looking for more tips on how to save money on gas, check out the related content. We've got videos on everything from fuel-efficient driving tips to finding the cheapest gas in town. Thanks for watching.